ito hindi na single, and then the ex person is hating that you are not single, right? No, so but then namimiss niya, no, siguro ang pinag-awayan niyo rito ay may kinalaman sa ano, no, parang sinisisi ka niya, no, something like that, no, so kaya kayo naghiwalay, no, so maybe ay parang bitter pa tong tao na ito, no, that's why, no, so siguro ay hindi niya matanggap na ikaw ay I mean ikaw ay may in relationship na, no, maybe siya talaga ay as in wala pa talaga siyang nagiging karelasyon, or kung meron man ay hindi nagiging maganda yung kanyang relationship, no, right, no, so parang lahat na lang sinisisi niya sa inyo, Taurus, no, so and again, no, take what's resonate, right, no, so yan, no, meron ditong person na sinisisi niya lagi yung ex niya because of what is happening, no, so ayun yung nasisense ko pala rito, no, namimiss niya kayo, but then ano, no, so parang may ano rito, no, may paninisi, no, may paninisi because yun nga, no, naghiwalay kayo, and then naiinis siya, bitter siya because hindi ka na single, no, mga Taurus, no, so yeah, because hindi ka na single, and then maybe that person is until now, no, hindi siya nakakahanap ng magandang partner or good relationship, right, no, so that's why maybe you, Taurus, ay maganda na yung nagiging takbo ng iyong relationship, right, no, so kaya etong tao na to ay bitter, no, but then of course namimiss ka pa rin niya, no, something like that, no, so yeah, no, that's it, no, so may bitter, and then yun nga, no, kumaga ay namimiss pa rin niya, no, but then yun nga, kasi siguro pwedeng ang pinag-awayan nyo ay something na nagsisihan kayo, no, that's why, at napunta sa hiwalayan, no, something like that, no, so yeah, no, kayo lang din nakakaalam niyan, mga Taurus, no, whoever it is, no, sa itong person na to, right, no, but then if you are in a relationship, in a happy relationship right now, Taurus, and I'm happy for you, right, no, so yeah, let's proceed, no, what's your self-care advice, mga Taurus, no, for this week? Self-care advice for Taurus. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Taurus, no? So, yeah, what is this? So, you have this sweet treat, no? So sinasabi dito, maybe yung iba sa inyo baka nagda-diet siguro, kaya parang hindi kayo kumakain ng mga sweets, no? So, because maybe ay pinipigil